Can you check the New Zealand Swiss, please? Out of curiosity, no trade taken here, but I'm looking at the structure and I see the possible cheeseman now is easier to see. But at the same time, when it was at the previous candle, it could have been a higher low.
Yeah.
So I don't really know. Sorry, a lower high.
Right, so let's do this with you, Paolo. The structure of the market is what?
It's bullish.
The structure of the market is what?
Ranging.
Wait. This is why I need you guys to train your eyes. The structure of the market is now what?
It's creating a double top, achievement.
Cool. So what structure is this market? We're looking for what?
To sell.
Right. This is the range that we're working with.
Yeah.
If price comes back down to this level, or whatever, in and around this level, and we do this, what is this market now?
Bullish.
Wait. Ranging now.
Yeah. Now it's ranging. Yeah, but the last candle was bullish.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah, okay. It's ranging. Yeah.
So when we're studying our charts, we have to visualize that there's nothing to the right. We're always working from left.
Correct.
When studying the charts. Okay. So let's continue this. So now we went for a range. What happened with this range? We had what?
A break up.
And then a
breakdown.
Correct.
The back in. Yep.
Now, are we selling this from this area just because we had a breakout, break back in?
No.
No, good. We need price to clear this level. Once it's cleared, we're now what bias on this market?
Sell bias.
Right. We have a structural subliminal lower high, high, continue sell bias. A structural lower low, indicating sell pressure. Agree?
Yes.
Fine. Remember, from left to right, this now on this market structure looks like a very nice lower high.
Correct.
Right. What we have to not confuse at this point in time is, can we sell from here and can we buy from here?
Can I stop you for a second? Wait a
minute.
Yeah.
My question to you is, okay, looking at the structure of the market, sell from here.
Excuse me? Looking at the structure of the market, can you take sales? Yes.
Yeah, you probably could. How would you enter this trade?
With a sell stop below structure.
But the criteria is you will need a super small stop loss.
Yeah.
Okay. And you'll need momentum to be in your favor. Right. So when we look at the 50-minute time frame, the momentum is in what favor?
It's against, because it's bullish.
So you need the momentum shift to go down and then look for your lower highs for your sells.
Yes.
Would you ever be trapped into this sell even if price is creating a higher low?
No.
Right. So that's avoided. The next thing, once we see price pushing down from this level, even though we don't get an entry, we're expecting price to do what?
To come back.
To make
to make a lower low.
Of the previous structure, which is this level here.
If it doesn't.
And starts to create this. This is indicating what to us? A potential
higher low. Lower high.
Very good.
No. Yeah.
So the behavior within about 16 hours has potentially indicated to us sells to then potentially buys. Now, this is a question. Can you buy at this level if you identify it as a 4-hour candle close with a wick?
Yes.
What would you need to happen?
I need to go to a lower time frame and see confirmation and evidence and confirmation that that level holds.
Very good. So you need this to change. Is this a buy opportunity here?
Yes.
For some people, it may be. For me personally, I don't think it would be, but some people it would be. Now we see price breaking this level.
Coming back.
Those to buy. You see how we can avoid taking premature trades by just making sure we're working with momentum. So back to your question. When looking at the charts, we know this is now a higher low. We know that there's bullish sentiment in this market. Okay. Did we know that before this happened? No. So this was always going to be a lower high before this was a higher low.
Yes, but Okay, because it has broken the trend line on the 4 hours as well. So there is a higher low. What about achievement here
For a buy,
for a sell?
what now?
Yeah,
You're
because
mixing your time frames up. If you want this to be the cheese man, can you sell here even though we may have a higher low?
yeah,
Absolutely.
but normally the achievement is with a higher low, correct?
So back to your question, can we sell this as a cheese man if we have a higher low within a lower high structure? If you view this,
Yes,
this
you
is
could.
right. What's the criteria for taking a cheese man on the 4 hour time frame?
Evidence and confirmation.
Right, but you need the wicks, etc., and then
Yes.
what happened to your entry?
Yeah.
Your entry and stop loss becomes bigger.
Unless you go to a lower time frame.
You can't take a 4 hour cheese man,
Mm-hmm.
15-minute time frame, because you're using a different momentum. The momentum on the 4 hour is totally different from the momentum on
15 minutes.
yes.
Okay.
Does this make sense?
Yeah, it's start making some sense. Yeah.
The cheese man can be taken on this time frame, but understand you need a bigger stop loss with a bigger target so that you get the momentum shift that you need.
Mm-hmm.
Because if I take a cheese man on the 15-minute time frame, I can take advantage of a cheese man and take profit before price decides to do this. You don't get triggered in. I've taken profit.
Yep.
If I'm taking a cheese man on the 15-minute time frame, then I potentially could take a nice trade, which will hit take profit. You will get triggered in, and on the 15-minute time frame, that 4 hour candle that triggered you in would have created not only the cheese man, but enough opportunities for me to take sells.
Yeah. Yeah.
15-minute time frame is to take advantage of a 4 hour candle's movement, which could be the cheese man double tops, higher lows within structures, and trends. Whereas on the 4 hour frame, you will need a much bigger stop loss and target to then take advantage of strong 4H momentum, where else your 4H momentum on the trigger will be my trend on the 50.
Yeah.
Does this make sense?
One last
Yes. Thank you, man.
But Roxy, that candle closes with rejection now. That's 4 hour candle. What thing? Then is that the level that it's failing to break then?
Correct. So if price now comes to level on this market, which is this level here or thereabouts, we start the phase again. Momentum shift up to a key level. We now need momentum shift back for a double top like this and then down. Or a push, lower high, and then down. What does that mean for us? This structural change on the 15-minute will be on the 4 hour, a double top of the structure and one 4 hour candle. Does this make sense?
Question. If that candle closes there, leaving a wick, can I then look for a double top on the lower time frame
This candle would
and
need,
sell it?
this candle would need to give us evidence
Yeah, a wick.
into structure with a wick.
Okay.
Once this happens, then you can do lower time frames.
And looking for a double top or missed double top.
Correct? With a momentum shift down.
Yeah, that's what I meant.